For 27 years, I believed a lie. And the scary thing is, nobody told me it was a lie. I told myself, my life's going to get better when somebody else's change. When my life gets better, when my money got up magically better, when my health changed magically, when my boss appreciated me more, when life was more fair. I spent years waiting, blaming, explaining, pointing at everybody else in my life. And while I was busy explaining why my life was not doing what I wanted it to do, my life wasn't working. Surprise. Before anybody cancels me and gets angry, I'm not saying bad stuff doesn't happen. It happens to all of us all the time. I've been divorced, lost people I loved, made huge mistakes that still hurt me, and I think about them every day. No doubt. Struggle with my weight, struggle with my health. I sat in emergency rooms over a dozen times, wondering what's going on. Life can be incredibly hard. Here's the magic pill that changed everything for me. I just stopped asking whose fault was it, and I started asking this: what can I do next? One question changed every second of the rest of my life. The moment I stopped focus on what happened, wondering why I did it, I started focus on what I was going to do about it. I started walking. I lost 70 pounds. Stopped drinking completely. Bam. I started creating social media content, rebuilding my relationships with others and myself. Started building a future instead of mourning the past. Of course it was hard. One of the worst things, hardest things ever. But it was possible. And there's a big difference. Blaming feels good for a long time. Blaming everybody else. You got no responsibility. But your responsibility changes your life forever. 57 years old. Lost a crap ton of weight. Healthier than I've been in 35 years. Building an online business. I'm helping people. None of that happened because life instantly became more fair. Happened because I stopped believing the lies that I was telling myself, that someone else is going to come and save you, because they're not. It's actually wonderful news, because if nobody's coming to save you, man, you get all the power. You've had it all along. Now you have it, solely responsible for yourself. If you're watching this now, maybe today is the day that you are going to stop blaming everybody else. Maybe today is the day things start to change. If you find yourself starting over like me, type I'm in so I can see that you're doing it with me. I'm an accountability coach and I help people start over from scratch. Hit me with a DM here on TikTok or YouTube, depending on where you're watching this. I'd love to chat with you on what we could do to help you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.